Good morning, everyone. This morning I'll be making French toast casserole. What all goes into French toast casserole? 10 cups French bread cubed, 1/2 cup chopped pecans, 5 large eggs, 1½ cups whole milk, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, zest of 1 medium orange, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the topping, we'll need 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 3 tablespoons dark brown sugar, packed, and all I have is just light brown sugar, so that's what I'll be using, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Additional toppings, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, or 1/4 cup powdered sugar, which is probably what I'll use, or 1 tablespoon maple syrup. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take your 2-quart dish and lightly grease it with cooking spray. And you can use a 3-quart dish if you want thinner slices. If you want thicker slices, use the 2-quart. So I have my bread cubes all cut up. And we'll take and put some bread cubes on the bottom of the pan. I will be putting this casserole dish on a cookie sheet just in case it does have a boil over. I'm really a messy cook, so. Okay, so we got the first layer there. And then sprinkle some pecans on the top of the bread cubes. And then just continue layering the bread and the pecans. And set that aside. So take a bowl, add your 5 eggs, and whisk them together. Add the 1½ cups of milk, the 1/4 cup of sugar, the orange zest from 1 medium orange, the 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and the pinch of salt. And whisk that together. Pour the egg mixture evenly over the breadcrumbs. Set that aside. Take your melted butter, add the 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, the 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt, and mix that up. Take this mixture and drizzle it over the breadcrumbs. So put your French toast casserole in a preheated 375-degree oven on the center rack and let it cook 35 to 45 minutes or longer if you want the top crunchier. So after 45 minutes, I took the French toast casserole out of the oven. We'll let it set for 10 minutes and then we will sprinkle powdered sugar on it. I was going to buy the cranberries, but I forgot. So the 10 minutes have passed. I did find my cranberries, so I'm going to sprinkle a few of the cranberry craisins on there. And then I'm going to dust it with a little bit of powdered sugar. And we're ready to serve, so let's get it dished up. So here is the French toast casserole. Rounding out the meal is a banana. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It smells cinnamony.
French toast casserole.
Oh, really? Never heard of such. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.